2021 Ford F-150. With less than 52,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's designed to adapt to meet your daily demands with its lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, turbocharged engine, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor. Experience the difference. Test drive your dream car today.